Hello and welcome! In today's video, I'm going to tell you about my school, Lincoln Middle School. This video is perfect for beginners who want to practice and improve their English by listening and reading. I'll talk about my school, the teachers, the fun activities, and all the things that make it a special place. So, if you want to learn new words and get better at English, keep watching. My school. My school is not just a place where I go to learn, but a special part of my life where I grow, make friends, and prepare for the future. Lincoln Middle School is the name of my school, and it's located in a beautiful suburban neighborhood in California. It's a school where everyone feels welcome, supported, and encouraged to do their best. The campus is large and filled with modern buildings that have large windows, allowing lots of natural light to shine inside. The blue and gray color scheme gives the school a cool, calm feel, and the surrounding trees and gardens make it feel peaceful and serene. As soon as I walk through the front gates each morning, I can feel the energy of my school in the air. The moment I arrive at school, I'm greeted by the sound of students chatting and the sight of my friends getting ready for the day. My school day begins with the morning announcements, which are broadcasted over the intercom by the student council. It's a time when we hear about important school events, upcoming activities, and some motivational words from our principal, Mrs. Anderson. I always look forward to hearing about any fun events coming up, like the upcoming field trip or school dance. After the announcements, we say the Pledge of Allegiance, which reminds me of the importance of respect and unity. The classrooms are where most of my learning happens. Each classroom is spacious and filled with educational posters, student work, and other colorful decorations that make the room feel alive. One of the things I love the most about my school is how interactive the lessons are. Teachers use smartboards, interactive lessons, and even videos to make topics interesting and easy to understand. In my math class, for example, we don't just sit and listen to the teacher talk. Instead, we use apps on the smartboard to solve problems together, and sometimes we even get to play games to practice our skills. This makes learning feel fun and exciting. The teachers at Lincoln Middle School are amazing. They don't just teach us. They make sure we really understand the subjects we're learning about. They are patient, kind, and always ready to help if we don't understand something. My history teacher, Mr. Taylor, is one of my favorites. He brings history to life by telling us stories about famous people and events, showing us pictures, and even acting out some of the key moments from history. He makes the subject feel like an adventure, and it's impossible not to get excited about learning when he's teaching. One of my favorite subjects is science. I love everything about it, especially the experiments. In our science lab, we mix chemicals, look at things under microscopes, and learn about the world in a hands-on way. My science teacher, Miss Wilson, makes each lesson fascinating. We recently learned about space and the solar system, and she showed us models of the planets, and even brought in a telescope to look at the night sky. Science helps me understand how things work in the world, and every experiment we do makes me more curious about how everything is connected. Apart from the core subjects, like math, science, and English, there are also many other classes that allow me to explore my interests. I enjoy physical education because it helps me stay active and healthy. Whether we're playing basketball, soccer, or running, I always have fun during gym class. It's a great way to stay fit and learn how to work with others as a team. I also love my art and music classes, where I can express my creativity. In art, I've painted, sketched, and even created sculptures. Music is fun too, as we learn to play instruments, sing, and learn about different genres of music from around the world. One of the best parts of my school is the wide range of extracurricular activities. There are so many clubs and sports teams to choose from that there's something for everyone. I'm involved in the robotics club, where we design and build robots to compete in challenges. It's amazing to see how all the hard work we put into our robot pays off when it performs exactly how we want it to. We spend a lot of time together as a team, brainstorming ideas and testing out our designs. The feeling of accomplishment when our robot works perfectly is incredible, and I've learned so much about problem solving and teamwork through the club. I'm also part of the basketball team, which is another highlight of my school experience. The team practices after school in the gym, where we work on our skills and play practice games. It's a lot of hard work, but I enjoy it because it helps me build discipline and teaches me how to work with my teammates. On game days, the whole school gets involved, cheering us on and showing their school spirit. It's a great feeling to know that the entire school is supporting us, and it makes me proud to represent my school on the court. Sports and activities are not just about competition, they're also about learning how to collaborate with others, stay positive, and work toward a common goal. My school's focus on teamwork and positive attitudes helps us build character, and I've learned that sportsmanship is just as important as winning. The library at my school is another one of my favorite places. It's quiet, cozy, and filled with thousands of books to explore. I love spending my free time there, reading stories, researching for projects, or just relaxing with a good book. Our librarian, Mrs. Miller, is always ready to recommend a great book, and she even organizes fun reading challenges and events. One of my most memorable experiences was when I participated in the summer reading challenge and won a prize for reading the most books. That feeling of accomplishment made me love reading even more. At Lincoln Middle School, technology plays a big role in learning. We have access to laptops, tablets, and smartboards in almost every class. In our technology class, we learn how to use computers and software to create videos, websites, and even design digital art. It's amazing how much we can do with just a few clicks. Recently, I created my own website for a class project, and I felt proud when it was finished. The skills I'm learning in these classes are something I'll use in the future, and I'm grateful to have access to such modern technology at school. There are also a lot of fun events and traditions that make school life special. Spirit Week is one of the most exciting times of the year. It's a week full of fun activities where we dress up according to different themes. One of the days is Pajama Day, where everyone comes to school wearing their comfiest pajamas. There's also a talent show where students can showcase their talents, whether it's singing, dancing, or performing magic tricks. It's always inspiring to see what my classmates can do, and it makes me proud to be part of such a talented group of students. Field trips are another exciting part of school life. They allow us to learn in new environments and experience things outside the classroom. Last year, we went to a local museum where we learned about the history of our city. We also visited an aquarium to study marine life. Field trips make learning fun, and they give us a chance to see real-world applications of the subjects we're studying. I look forward to the upcoming trips and can't wait to see where we'll go next. My school places a lot of emphasis on respect and responsibility. We're expected to follow the school rules and treat everyone with kindness. Our teachers and staff are always there to help us when we need it, and they make sure that our school is a safe and welcoming place for all students. I've learned the importance of being responsible for my actions, staying on top of my homework, and helping others whenever I can. The cafeteria is another important part of school life. The food is not only delicious, but also healthy. I always look forward to lunch because it's a time to relax and chat with my friends. The cafeteria has a wide variety of options, from salads and sandwiches to pizza and pasta. We even have a salad bar, where we can pick our favorite toppings and create our own healthy meals. It's a great way to stay energized for the rest of the school day. Overall, Lincoln Middle School is more than just a place where I learn. It's a community where I can grow, explore my interests, and make lasting friendships. The teachers, the activities, the sports, and the fun events all come together to make my school experience unforgettable. I feel so lucky to be part of such an amazing school, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Whether it's in the classroom, on the court, or with my friends, I know that Lincoln Middle School will always be a special place in my heart. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed learning about my school and practicing your English with me. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun videos to help you improve your English. Keep practicing, and remember, learning can be fun. See you in the next video.